Hello everyone, welcome back to Shangfai YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. In today's update, we will look at President Salva Kiir Mayardit reappoint Dr. James Waniga as Vice President. Second, we will look at major cabinet reshuffle shake the government of South Sudan. Third, we will look at deadly incident in Juba, leave 5 people dead. And fourth, we will look at police official killed in an attack in Torit town. Fifth, we will look at 2 civilian and soldier killed in Ruweng. This and more coming up shortly. Stay with us. Please do not forget to hit the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's start with national politics. Kiir reappoint Dr. James Waniga as Vice President. South Sudan President Salva Kiir Mayardit has reinstated Dr. James Waniga as the Vice President in charge of the economic cluster. The announcement came Monday night, ending several days of speculation over who would take the position. The decision is part of major political reshuffle that saw the removal of several senior government officials. Dr. Waniga, one of the most experienced politicians in the SPLM, previously served as a vice president from 2013 until early 2025, when he was dismissed. Before his removal, Iga had also served as the first deputy chairperson of the SPLM, a position he has now regained. He returned following the dramatic removal of Dr. Benjamin Bolmel, who briefly held both the vice presidency and the SPLM deputy chairmanship. Bolmel has also been stripped of his 4-star general rank and relieved from the National Security Service. No official explanation was provided, but the move followed a report of internal power struggle and alleged financial irregularities. The reshuffle also removed several ministers. Information Minister Michael Makuilwes, Road and Bridge Minister Simon Mijak, Environment Minister Josephine Napon Cosmos, and Justice Minister Joseph Gengakech. Michael McQuaid, who has overseen the information docket for more than a decade, has now been reassigned as the Minister of Justice. Former Presidential Press Secretary Ateng Wek Ateng has been appointed as the new Information Minister. Former SPLM Secretary General Peter Lambos will now head the Minister of Road and Bridges. Meanwhile, Mabur Garengda Mabur, the eldest son of late SPLM founder Dr. John Garengda Mabur, became the new Minister of Environment. This appointment raised new questions about whether his mother, Vice President Rebecca Nyandeng, will retain her position in the gender and youth cluster. President Salva Kiir Mayardit also removed Inspector General of Police General Abraham Mainwat Peter, reinstating General Sahed Shaulum, who previously served in the post. In Central Equatoria, Governor Rabi Mujung Emmanuel has been dismissed and replaced by Emmanuel Adil Anthony, who returned after being removed in 2024. Regina Kurnyok has been appointed as the Deputy Ambassador to China, while Monica Achola Agwek returned as the Grade 1 Ambassador and becomes the Presidential Envoy for the Middle East. Analysts say the reshuffle show President Salva Kiir Mayardit is consolidating his authority, especially after the fallout with Bolmel. Dr. Miaming described government pose as token in a game of power and patronage. While civil society leader Edmund Yakani called the move a recycling of old guard, urging for genuine implementation of the peace agreement. Let's move on to our second top story, security in Juba. Please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. According to the report, 5 killed in separate incident in Juba. South Sudan police say the general security situation remained calm, though several deadly incidents occurred on Monday. In Juba, Lemon Gaba neighborhood, 3 children entered an unattended park vehicle. 2 died from suffocation, 1 survived and is receiving treatment. Police say the vehicle owner will face charges for negligence. Later the same evening, gunmen opened fire in the same area, killing 3 people and injuring 4 others. Investigations are underway and no group has claimed responsibility. In Torit, earlier security reports show a commercial vehicle came under gunfire from unidentified army men. Police also reported a case where a father assaulted his 22-year-old son over remorse, and a separate case involving a UN staff member from Burkina Faso detained with a married woman. Both incidents are under investigation. Police spokesperson Major General James Monday Enoka urged the public to keep reporting crime, stressing that unreported incidents do not mean they are not happening. Let's move on to our third top story, and this is very important story. Police official killed in an attack on Torit town. This is an incident that happened between the police officers and the SPLIU forces. According to a senior police officer, Captain Cyprian Oromo, has been killed in an attack on Torit town in eastern Equatoria. Governor Laos Lobong accused SPLIU forces of launching coordinated military raid on the town. According to Lobong, who is the governor, one group attacked the Torit military hospital around 5 a.m. in the morning. Another group advanced from Inyef area and opened fire on the county commissioner's vehicle, killing Captain Oromo. The incident caused widespread panic, forcing residents to flee and business to shut down. Residents described hearing heavy gunfire, market, food shop, and small business closed as people ran for safety. Civil society group condemned the attack. Speedo say the raid appear planned and targeted. Sepo Edmund Yakani warned the country is sliding back into full-scale military war. And Edmund Yakani urged international rights group to monitor rising violence. SPLIU has not yet commented on the accusation. Let's move on to Roweng administrative area, where 2 civilians and soldiers killed in an attack. This report is also breaking news. In the Roweng administrative area, 2 civilians and a soldier were killed Monday when suspected army used open fire on an SSPDF barrack at the Manawil oil site. The shooter is believed to be from Gwit County in Unity State, according to Roweng Information Minister James Moinlwal Mijuk. Gwit County Commissioner Simon Deo Lilly denied that youths from his area were involved. He said both sides often blame each other whenever incident occurred and called for cooperation and peaceful dialogue. Authorities in both Ruweng and Unity State have been urged to hold urgent peace discussions to reduce tension along the border. Uh, Market remained closed in part of Torit following yesterday's attack. Security agencies warn the public against spreading unverified information on social media. National election remains scheduled for December 2026 with no new announcement from the transitional government. You have been listening to Shangfa YouTube channel, your reliable source for South Sudan news, analysis, and daily update. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and stay connected for breaking news. Gwasme bana raiketin content lat Karodian via Kamal Kashang fa YouTube channel. Mi jira mi jirit gwasme gurno jin be subscribe. Kabi notification bell bi jetwine ko bilarity bikaling. Gurno be subscribe bi channel bi support. Bana jetu kalera nyam ko leren wan kate kon kalera ti shop kadiech. Leren nyam bana raike kwisal pe kema yadit che Dr. James Wani ga che nyoko mile ja gwasde ke che kwan la vice president. Ler do dien bana raike kwi cabinet ni ne de kone chari re kumeka. Buko right kane dang die ti chana gre wiki Juba. Bana right ka kwi police ni ti chana dor chal ke Torit town. Bana right ka kwi civilian dang rodi chanak ke dekel ka dor chal ke Ruweng. Kentin kone bukon ke linka jan lerame. Kenya mchana right ka kwi national politics kima dan le road. Chalado kirma yadi che Dr. James Waniga che jakwan ala vice president. Kwer nisal pe kirma yadi che Dr. James Waniga che nyoko mo kwan nyoko ala vice president. Ka che ka economic cluster. Che lat ke je laden wo che wude shalga Waniga che jelas gwesde. Ka korga mech na roal ka social media right now no ngami ba kwan chinete wan chikara jeno dongu ikano barandian ba ja kwan jeno me shit kirma yadit president me she decide che gu jeno balana wani ga gwasde ko che goro banala roal decision me shit kana me she kirma yadit che jalat che wani ga che kwan kir bache reshuffle che jalat che ne ko la kwar che kayet mo kon ka Dr. Waniga ramkel miteke experience ka kuma spelling. Jene Kenya mane chala vice president kwanga je ke 2013 la ron kin dang ruwal jok. Chwaje kwanya la kwer la vice president. Abene ka 2025. Munyo da gwano jen te karunto wantin. Karunda to karunda cherwe keke en Waniga la vice president. Kwaje le bewotch ka pairo ronkin dangro jandang diech ka Juba cha gwar ya kam wude shwal kame Dr. Benjamin Bolmel. Jo Dr. Benjamin Bolmel sherwik president badda ki president bangwan ala vice president. Amene mo chika ga kene kirmi yadi done ka kwe yoni ki tin konlat korudien chagu jeno Bolmel she corruption che jalat. Ka kore me chikire gwich chukire yenre wich jare wijen tema ka Juba ala ramisha yen and pointed Dr. Benjamin Bolmel ka cha wich ka vice president ka cha nyo wajba ka first deputy chairman ka kuma SPLM and position me she Dr. Benjamin Bolmel che tin ka cha wich ne ken yamde wudi shal ka me Waniga mshakul nyo kunya la vice president jene cha konti tin la first deputy chairman ka SPLM andama chala do jen chaja lo gwasamo lo kwerantama cha kam kwa dangro cha Benjamin Bolmel jen chaja yinre which me kata da ne chala region which yo cha kacham kana jikwara ya we kel kana jikwara jikir mi yadit ka jen je latta cha today chakalat jenetin wan chakarit cha information minister Michael McQuaid cha watch she Ramadan Lakwer Road and Bridge Minister Simon Mijok Majak Chaja George Rar. Charamdala Environment Minister Josephine Napon Cosmo Chaja Joirar. ci Ramadan tungot pinde ala Justice Minister Joseph Ganga ke ce George ka gwad ne nan kone a joj gwaso me kitin konen chariot ce Michael Makwelwes ce kwan Ramadan Minister of Justice ka general information won cha Michael Makwelwes cha kwan ala Minister of Justice mulono jen jaram danen ba ngot ba galat ke tedde shit ke look Dr. Reng Machar ka ngai kon no jen kana Dr. Machar ni Reng Machar lon so ne me chala do be chala kwertema jen a former presidential press secretary no al akwerwen karan information maradian ramchi ko ruino wala former presidential press secretary wudi chalka ten wuka ten me Dr. Benjamin Bull Melko ba wuch jaja kwanya la new information minister ka gwa Michael Makwelwet former SPLM secretary general Peter Lambot chanyo mo kwanga ja la minister of road and bridge nyok ke another news nyok chama biur garang da ma biur chaja kwany la ran minister of environment ma biur garang da ma biur jen garadini jen la gat wude shalga me Dr. John garang da ma biur me ci yede jen cha gara cha kwany tema la minister of environment so ne de tiga den kontin cha kwany ngai kondi ale wude shalga me ma biur garang da ma biur man vice president ba vice president Rebecca Nyandeng anguda ka position de ala vice president ka gender and youth cluster chajo mo chajalat she president Salva Kiir yadi ba she inspector general police general wud Michel Abraham Manuat Peter chenyo ko mo kwanya jabone she general Said Shaulum mishi let ka gwase dan che general of police general Abraham Manuel Peter chajo wo chajo ni je cha gware chaja kamuri chale general Said Shaul mishi ko len wala laram ka jen position mo ka central equatorial state cha governor Rabi Mujung Emmanuel chaja George cha gware ya kamudo dien michal ke Emmanuel Adila Anton wude me cha ya kon joni wal ne ke 2024 wude cha ko la governor ntamenyok ka central equatorial shirajin a kur nyok chela do ne ta kwangana kaje Regina kur nyok gen chaje kwang la deputy ambassador ka China cha mona ka chola gok chaje kwang la grade 1 ka ambassador ka cha kwang la presidential envoy for the Middle East lo ba we ka wi Arab chala do ta chikir yana rit ka je me go be power bete ka je jen she bol me che chu watch ci Dr. Remember Miaming chela do ne na kir do badana wojana ka je wa a game of power kana Michel patronage wana me ngarijen ke power civil society leader Edmund Yakani chala do ne me Michel ke recycling of all god ko jen en kene de kono chalo region tama kene ti cha join wal che ko nyolo gwanne ken wana ka ler do dien security situation in Juba rewi ke Juba chala do chane dang die cha kanak gwan mi che liuka gwan to go chen gwada ke liuka tin bad jen within Juba Sudan police chikan lado ne general security situation kanera yuke Juba ngoda we gwa dundo wo chen wan chi liuka kan ka jen je ladama Juba ke limon gaba area mo chala do ga dang jok chi garo den latre torbiel micha kapchong do micha pa kanene so an ve kalamo torbiel wa chi urien chorede wa chu kan yentin micha bijeko chaje go no ere torbiel mo gar tien dang dokten kon chara rodin chore che gadang ro chi liu ko tel re de tele jom den chi gad kel ka ke che tek gada mo wa cha nang dulwal ente ma jatin ma wal ka kora ka tianga mo chote ne de te me ti chu na chu kan chu kan dang jok ko ni kan nyok na within Juba kan dang wane amoy ka bot wa ngod lat ke investigation ente ma daro shalga me Torit wa security po chala do ne cha commercial vehicle malana kap wa chaje ambush ka chaje barkamech ane ti changech ci polin je la no ne mi to kono mo nyok bo chala ro te ke wut mi ci gara mi te garun yen dang ro raw ce jenak nyok bo chala ro ne charam wala led UN chaje kep ran Burkina Faso re wit mi bok Juba mi je toy ke che gwanda ke che grara dien titi akena kon and talk. Police spokesperson Major General James Monday chala do nena they can public they can mitake a durm chora la they can malalat ko de jala na chajo mo chajala de ken eno wana kale radio de chan right kari kadan chi tuok doro shal ke Torit kam kuma spele ayo ken kuma SPDF chala do nena cha police official ramdin mitake gor tungwan chaja naka Torit senior police officer Captain Siberian Uromo chanak rewujin winimi ka Torit town ki Eastern Equatoria Captain Siberian Uromo chanak wajen ramadit ke kwar Governor Lobong che kuma spela wicha jagwan en wo ka kanetin konti nakarama me waken chi gberere aken kuma spela yo chikana gakareu chicken Torit military hospital wa chicken Brighton ke ta di kerunwang nyok chu group da dien chu kam chal ke inyef area ka chu kan me chu kan nyo on doje tong mi gwa de county commissioner tin nyen gwa dan kan captain romo kan nakten chu ne ti chu ka dol wal no wa jen do dan na ke captain tin no moni kuma spela yo ka gwa dan ro shi na gang nyam kwa lo ngai kan man da dien shi ga ben ke jog jog ne so no mo mi chi to wari ga me toga ka chine den wan ci ga dwala lung wa business ni kan tum ne dia cha ga shut down changa mo chine de kon shin gwa da mo ci kala no chine me di lung chine ka ling ka market gwa da danan te shop ne te guten la food shop ka te small business ne te guten kan dia le wa ci kan tum ni kan ga gak jo cha la gwa civil society group kan shi kan la do ne me je ka lung kan ne ta dana cha na ma ka je kan shi gwa in mun ya kan chala do ne me be long ala sos dan ngo de woni jen ka wore kur ka jo nan chalat shol ken international community no ne na kan rai group ano de kan peace de kan monitor kan violent and talk no kuma spela yo watla raj mi kan lat ka jen kwiri kuma nan chitwo wana kaleran ngwandien doro shal ke rowing administrative area chala do ne na cha civilian dangro cha kana ke dekel ke rowing administrative area doro shal ke me rowing administrative area chala yan cha ne dangro cha kana kala shiga dini ke dekel ke jen jilat gwan mi chala no ne ne chete ke ngwane te jel kamech shikan dini SSPDF barak ka doro shal ke manawal oyal side wa chikana mak shukana tukan ka bartin ka shukan ne civilian dangro yikan kan na ke dekel gwada dan to rektin jen gwada mo ka ruwing administrative area ne to dio ke jen go jen ka good county ka unity state raya chala da ji ruwing information minister James Moindwal Mijok good county commissioner Simon Dio Lile chala do ne na jen me she tok tele ngwana ko tishun winimi duno la belka ko metek michiro da lat ka ne konte ka ruwing cha ko le jogo ne kuma no de bos ruwen kan unity state de kan mat gwakel ko de kan kam den de kan lat ko de mal der teten de no be karo de na bel nisha titi kan kon de kon kaling an wala gorno jin bishang fa YouTube channel bi je subscribe ko bi notification bell bi je twan ko mo te mo bare che ba choma la shube keji an ban chonga gwasmo bi atega mal bye bye